Here's my 5 non-negotiable baby and mom's essentials. So first is UV sterilizer with dryer. Ang ginagamit ko is Super Mama and Spectra na brand. Napansin ko, mas nakaka 100% dry ang Super Mama. Second is hospital grade trumpet style na breast pump. So ang ginagamit ko is Spectra Dual Compact at Spectra S2 Pro. Parehong okay, mas maganda lang yung Spectra Dual Compact kapag magta-travel since rechargeable siya. Third is milk warmer. So I use Dr. Ayla at saka Super Mama. But for me, mas pinaka-okay is yung Super Mama because mas madali yung buttons niya. But both naman works great. Fourth is Avent and Kiko feeding bottles dahil meron sila parehong anti-colic feature. So, ibig sabihin nakakaiwas siya ng kabag. And lastly, kung mag-co-sleeping kayo, I highly recommend itong baby bassinet na ginagamit namin dahil very safe siya kapag katabi nyo siya matulog since iwas madaganan si baby. So, sa mga nesting mommies na naghahanap pa ng mga baby and mom essentials, I hope nakatulong itong video na to. Yun lang. I hope this helps. Thank you for watching!